Welcome WordPress technology to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Today's video for beginners, WordPress free slider plugin. How to add the slider on WordPress. Open the cPanel dashboard. Step 1. Download the slider plugin. Go to the Smart Slider 3 free download page. Search for the Smart Slider 3 plugin and click on the first result. Click the download button to get the plugin zip file. Step 2. Install the plugin on your website. In your WordPress admin panel, go to Plugins, Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File and then upload the Smart Slider 3 plugin zip file. Click Install Now to install the plugin, then click the Activate button. Click on the first result, Smart Slider 3. Go to Smart Slider 3. Watch the guide video to learn how to install and use the plugin if needed. Press Dashboard sidebar to open its dashboard. Step 3. Create a slider. Click New Project. You'll see two options, Start with a Template and Pro Templates. Since you're a beginner, scroll down and click on Free to see the free templates. Choose the first free template and click Import. Once the template is imported, you can see and edit the slider. Use the Edit option to customize the content, style, and settings of the slider. You can also preview how the slider looks on desktop, laptop, and mobile devices. Click the Save button once you're satisfied with the changes. Step 4. Add the slider to a page. Go to Pages, All Pages and find your home page. Click Edit with Elementor. In Elementor, add a new container where you want the slider to appear. Search for Smart Slider in the Elementor Widgets panel. Drag the Smart Slider widget into the container. Select the slider you created and click Insert. Adjust the alignment and advanced settings as needed. Click Update to save your changes. Step 5. Preview your website. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and visit your website. Scroll down to the section where you added the slider to see it in action. Test the slider navigation, such as clicking the next button, to ensure it works correctly. Optional: create another slider. Go back to the Smart Slider 3 dashboard. Click New Project to create another slider. Explore the gradient slider settings, adjust the size, layout settings, and customize the arrow design. Enable the autoplay option if you want the slider to run automatically. Click Save to finalize your new slider. And save the smart slider changes. And the next video will be about the product slider. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified of my next video. Thank you.